Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to call somebody on Telegram app. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to call somebody on Telegram app, let's open up our Telegram app first. And after that, tap on the chat box of your friend with whom you want to call to Telegram, like this. And after that, you can see the phone icon available on the top right corner of your screen, just beside the three dotted icon. Tap on the phone icon like this. And there guys, this is how you call somebody on Telegram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.